These evergreen structures, you think they do fit quite well the requirements of the private wealth market?
Well, we discussed that, as you mentioned, in February a little bit, and it's an ongoing debate. Many people expect that they are going to be tested sooner or later, and the question is, how will they react to a test from, I don't know, macroeconomic event, market event, the reaction of individuals, and it's probably going to be a little bit contrasted depending on the investor base of the evergreen product. So if you have a stable base, probably the ship is going to float and it's going to move a little bit, but you might be able to handle it. If the investor base is a little bit more, let's say, moving as a group, as a flock, as a herd, there might be more challenges. Now, a fund manager told me recently, if one stop the redemptions, the whole industry is going to stop. Because what you don't want is that since you have a better performance than your peer stopping the redemptions, then people go to you and then you start to suffer. And that's what we saw probably in the hedge fund industry some time ago, where everyone was like, well, if the other one is going to lock, then I'm going to lock as well, because I don't want to suffer and have the bad track because people started to have redemptions. Because one of the things we tend to forget is that the evergreen can be pro-cyclical. I think we touched upon that last time we discussed. Yeah. And so what you want is to still have some cash if possible when the market is tough, because this is when the opportunities come up. And so if you serve the redemptions, you do your job, but also you fail your job